Hi guys, do you love fishing with the thrill of flying? Do you want to enjoy the fishing experience? If you are an angler, then fish drones are for you. Fishing is a creative activity that tells an ocean story. When it comes to drone fishing, the target is fish. Fishermen these days invest in drones. The success is highly dependent on the use of fishing drones and has become part of their luring selection process. To make the fishing experience more successful, drones are designed so you can catch the fish more easily. Some fish drones are so advanced, they serve the ability to detect movements underwater either through sonar or GPS technology. Despite their expensive nature, they are worth spending money on. The market is saturated with different fish drones which lie in different categories and have different features and specifications. For making your fishing experience more memorable, this article contains the best fishing drones. So, let's get started. Number 10, Roku F11 GAM2 Drone with 4K HD. This fishing drones is here with the 21% price off. Now you can get it at around $460. Features of this product: this Gannet Pro fish drone is the best one to relieve discomfort and frustration if anyone encounters discomfort, storm, or rain. This drone is designed to protect you from water, sand, etc. This is a waterproof remotely equipped drone that can stand rough weather conditions. It is suitable for both commercial and recreational purposes for fishing or even water rescue, etc. The most durable drone that has payloads from 400 g 0.9 IB to 2.4 kilograms 5.5 pounds. Moreover, the controlling range is 1.6 kilometers with a powerful battery of 5,200 miles per hour, and it can transmit video feed from 1 kilometer far from the controller. Gannet Pro fishing drone has 30 minutes of flight time without battery recharge. It takes short time to get recharged. In a nutshell, if you are a fish lover, then fish drones are a must for you. These drones make your fishing experience more memorable. The above article has listed all the best fishing drones out in the market to make your fishing experience more exciting and cooler. The next is Number 9, Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K Drones. This fishing drones is here with the 13% price off. Now you can get it at around $400. The 4K drone with multiple functions, follows me, circle flight, and waypoint are key features that make it easy to use. Moreover, the precise altitude flight, auto return, one key takes off landing, headless mode, emergency stop, FPV, and app control are also distinct features. The stable flight at high speed 10 ms, 2 hours fast charging for 31 minutes, intelligent mode flights, and self-stabilizing 3-axis gimbal camera that has high-quality video recording, the removable joystick storage, 5.8G FPV Wi-Fi transmission lines, and safe flights also include. The GPS and flight controller system ensures a safe landing, takeoff, and return. The best fishing drone has a good battery, a long flight, and a camera. Capture impressive moment with the help of 3-axis mechanical gimbal and one 3-inch Sony CMOS sensor. Potensic Dreamer Pro will allow you to record 16MP photo and provide 4K 30fps video. The next is Number 8, PowerEgg X Wizard 4K 60fps. The 4K drone that can be used on land or in water is the PowerVision PowerEgg X Wizard drone. This powerful drone provides better flying with a superb battery life that can land on the surface of water. The 2.8-inch CMOS sensor camera, 4K 60 frames per second UHD camcorder, and a 3-axis gimbal filter the vibrations out and provide smooth footage. The drone body is out of arms and has stabilized action camera in it. The 170 degrees tracking field view and AI algorithm and robotic technology enable facial recognition and deep learning. The sync voice technology helps the users to narrate the real-time by using the microphone on mobile or wireless earphones. These features make this drone best for fishing. The best waterproof drone for fishing is PowerEgg X, includes waterproof housing, water landing floats, and an extra battery. The next is Number 7, Swell Pro Spry Plus Waterproof. Now you can get it at around $1,168. Features of this product: this is a waterproof and buoyant drone that has external waterproof switches for power. You can take a shot in water or land without any fear. The maximum speed is 43.5 miles per hour. An aerodynamic frame reduces drag and turbulence, an array of interior aluminum heat that reduces heat, and 4 vibrations bumpers help to land safely on the ground. The remote controller is paired with your mobile phone for navigation. The hatch lid provides ventilation without letting water inside and helps in the prevention of water from entering the fuselage. The Spry drone is a compact waterproof option for fishing. The Swell Pro is easy to fly and gives the best aerial views. It is the best drone for those who love to fish or swim. It's the best fast-flying drone. The next is Number 6, DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone Quadcopter. Features of this product: the lightweight and compact foldable design fishing drone is what you need to carry along with you on every adventure. The embedded Mavic 2 Zoom drone has the ability to optimize propulsion, lower power rate, and low levels of noise. The remote controller, 224 to 48mm optical zoom camera, 4K resolution, 30 frames per second, intelligent flight battery, 3-axis gimbal, and 2.0 video October sync transmission system, charger, power cable, RC cable, and communication cable are other distinct features. Active Track 2.0 has tracking experience of a new level and ensures precise recognition, trajectory, high-speed tracking, and obstacle sensing. Moreover, the foldable, low-profile, ergonomic design helps to hold the smartphone for more convenience. The removable control sticks and the remote controller are kept inside. Moreover, Zoom 2 ensures safe flight due to its 5 sensors. This is ideal for long-range fishing. The next is Number 5, Swell Pro Spry Plus Water Pro. Now you can get it at around $1,168. Features of this product: the Splash Drone 3 Plus is a waterproof drone that includes a remote control and isn't afraid of getting wet. This is superb for fishing as you can take a camera drone into the water. This drone is specifically designed for fishing. Swell Pro Quadcopter IP67 construction, 3-axis gimbal, 4K camera sensor, and payload release system are considered other distinct features. The fish finders or any other device can be attached to it. During rough weather, this product is resistant to wind or shock waves. The 5200 mAh impressive battery makes it last up to 25 minutes in good condition. The 2 additional batteries make it last up to 50 minutes of flight time, which is even superb while going on any adventure trip. The battery door has also been reinforced and the altitude control system has been redesigned to include a protected air breather design as well as an improved heat management system. The next is Number 4, Roku F11 Pro Drones with Camera. This fishing drones is here with the 21% price off. Now you can get it at around $300. Features of this product: 6 F11 Pro camera drone equipped with 2 powerful 11.1V 2500 mAh intelligent batteries provides up to 60 minutes flight time in total, giving you more fun. It comes with beginner settings to let you get used to, then you can use other functions further. Easy to fly for all levels. Intelligent flight features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, hand gesture shots make you fly like an expert. To explore the fun of the aerial film, just one click, it will fly itself and film your creative video. The brushless motor has stronger power, which can make the drone fly more stably and can resist the wind of level 6. The aluminum alloy casing is more durable than others of iron motors. It is durable for a long time use. Experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 9K video for stunning clarity. The next is Number 3, DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone Quadcopter. Now you can get it at around $2,999. Features of this product: when looking for a fish drone, the DJI Mavic Pro is worth the money. Its less weight body makes it more feasible. The 4.3-mile range and live video transmission, 1080p or 720p resolution, depends on which one you prefer. This Mavic drone gives 27 minutes of flight time with an additional 3 batteries in the fly kit. The DJI Mavic Pro is the most delicate drone for fishing because of its mobility, which helps in high resolution. So, if you are a beginner with drones, then this is the best choice. The compact folding design, with 4K video and built-in safety measures such as automated return home and obstacle avoidance, makes it the best choice for fishers. See the bigger picture. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. The next is Number 2, DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus version 2.0. Now you can get it at around $2,399. DJI is the first name and product with unique features and specifications. The Phantom 4 Pro is a combination of titanium alloy and magnesium alloy. which ensures rigidity and keeps the drone weight as low as possible. Moreover, 3-axis gimbals for stabilization, a 20MP CMOS camera sensor, and 4K video resolution at 60 frames per second is other distinct feature. The maximum 4.3-mile range is an exception. The overall battery life and flight performance are the best. The 5-direction sensor and different intelligent modes are at your disposal. This is the best drone for fishing cinematography. The Phantom 4 Pro Plus version 2.0 camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. The next is Number 1, DJI Air 2S Drone Fly More Combo. This fishing drones is here with the 21% price off. Now you can get it at around $1,015. The ultimate drone for creators is DJI Air 2S. It features a gimbal-stabilized camera that is straight down, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a compact body that weighs 600 g and has powerful autonomous features, and an easy filter attachment which helps in addition of a polarizing lens and deep penetration of the lake. The portable, safe and intelligent technology helps in spending more time enjoying flights. DJI Air 2S scouted surrounding in 4 directions, i.e., up, down, forward, and backward. The algorithms are improved for pilot assistance systems and allow obstacles to avoid complex situations, helping in high-quality tools not only for beginners but also inexperienced. This app control is easy and safe to use. Its small size and ability to make a video of 5.4K make the DJI Air 2S the most beautiful choice. The 20MP, 1-inch sensor and digital zoom makes it lightweight and foldable, so this is the best option for you to buy.